Hello, hello. I don't know what happened to my hair, but I'm back for today. We It's 24th December 2025, so we are at day 9. I was little late today. Little what? I'm half an hour late because I had to do some things. So, mm, without any further ado, let's start. We were at 4 yesterday. We'll do 4 and 5, I guess. 4, 5 and 6, I guess, if we can. It's otherwise we will do up to 5 only. Let's go to the screen. How much time is left? Okay. After we finish 5, we can do typing if we have time. Okay, I had to do that too. Okay. Here we have it. I'll just see the things we have to complete: dictionaries, tuples and sets, and collection and comprehensions. I think we can get up to here. 24 MCQs, 4 problem, 3 article, 10 MCQs, 2 articles. So we can get here, I guess. We are already here, and let's do problems first and we'll do quiz later. Then first from high accuracy to low. We'll do easy ones first and then hard ones later. Okay, given a string as the task is to convert string characters to lowercase. Oh. Given string s, I have to give string s. We can just use function return as self s s dot lowercase like this. Will this work? I guess lower. Lower. Yeah. Yup. It's lower, not lowercase. Okay, for 1112 test cases, passed every test case. Score is up. Let's see what the solution is. Okay, what is the solution to lowercase? Okay, wait. It's in C, right? We have to do it in Java. Converted. Oh. In C, we have to do len strlen. Yes. To length. For each character is uppercase and to lowercase to return string. Same for C++ too. And JavaScript, Java. I don't know Java. Okay, you can do 2 lowercase. Okay, nice one. Let's go to another one where the accuracy is little bit low. Python has a lot of string methods that can be used to manipulate the strings, like converting to lowercase, capitalizing, trimming the spaces, and so on. Python has a lot of string methods that can be used to manipulate the string, like converting to lowercase, capitalizing, trimming. In this question we'll take a look at inbuilt string methods like title, swap case, find, strip. Now you will be given a string str and x. You will perform various operations on them. Str and x, str left string. Example input str hello, x is equal to hello. Output in this function problem do not take any input, just complete the function string exists type it and case will swap. Do I have to complete str dot string? Title it will be str dot title, right? Cases swap means str dot swap case and the trim. What is for trim? Exists str dot find x str trim strip. If I give what ABCD, the hell, what the hell? So, do this. Oh, 26 up. Length of the list. So you are given a list that contains integers. You need to return the length of this list. So length of the list input arr. 105. What am I doing? Why am I summing? Oh, I have to give the I value, right? Hmm. I'm not summing, bro. I have to give length. How was this implemented? But I was I only the one trying to do this? Oh, I can do it in only Python 3 now. Give the answers for C and C++. To given a string S, you need to reverse it. How was that reversed? Yeah, I remember. We looked at it once, right? For yes, has -1. Is it the answer? Ten. Is it the answer? What the what the hell? What? Yep, yep. That's the case. I remembered correctly. Time than expected. What? My code took more time? I had to use reverse? Mm, what does it have? Reverse? No. Bro, I did that, but you are not giving me marks on this. This is what I saw you do. Why can't I submit? Yeah, not submitted. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, and C, you do this sort of things. Okay. Backend complete function template for C. Reverse string char length as char length. We are giving length value. Then reverse pointer char malloc, giving it length plus 1 size of char. Multiplying it and reverse null, check for malloc failure for length, reverse I 1, reverse length. What is this? Hmm. Java also same. C and Java same. C plus plus and Java same but different. Mm-hmm. Ah, yeah, I did the right thing, bro. She has. In C++, we could just reverse length as the length, and I use length minus 1, 0, reversing, got it. Solve next. Palindrome. Find pattern. Find pattern. Find pattern. Given a string yes and a pattern p, you need to find it. Starting index of p in S. If p does not exist in S, then minus 1 will be returned. Here, p and S both are case sensitive. If p in S then starting index of p p0, right? For I in range yes if s if yes I yes I is equals to p0, then return I, otherwise or else return -1. What I have to do, I guess. Okay, if p in S, then it will do this sort of things. Okay, you need to find p exists or not and return the starting index of p in S. Okay, if p does not exist in S, then -1 will be returned. -1 will be returned. P and S both are case sensitive. For I in range of yes, if I use P, then return I, otherwise it will go to yes. Let's check valid syntax. Yes, no range. Sorry. For expected. I can't do this. I can't. No, I can, I guess. Can't I get the starting index? Oh, wait. Do I have to do this? No. Nah, this is string, bro. Let's do this. What is as equals to p of 0, and we'll keep char here. Okay. Unexpected. What is happening here? Am I getting something wrong? I can access that, but I can't do that. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Oh. I what was wrong? I thought, but I didn't give colon. Okay, let's see if this works too. As expected. Ah, yeah. Ah, bro. I'm so dumb. Okay. End of file when reading a line. Input. Huh? What? Something went wrong? Huh? No, my progress. My fucking progress. No, I have to go find pattern, right? Oh, I have my progress. No. Was it what? Sorry. Sorry. If it's this, then oh, but I need to do X, I guess. I have to do. I dot index and I don't know the value of what? Hmm. Jadu Mantra 2. I have to do this now. And this now. I was trying to do this. Okay. Now it's working. Yay! Yay, it's working. Okay, my idea was correct then. Okay, for next, what is the other use case? Wordle and Doodle. Wordle and Doodle. Are really? Oh, okay. WRLD. Word. Yep. Please submit. You have to work. Yes, you worked hard, but I don't need this. And I don't need this. Can be further. Oh, copying is prohibited. Oh, so I can't copy paste here. Oh, good one. Wait, yeah, good. I don't need to continue this. I can just do this. Now this. Yep, it will work. Zero. Sorry. What? Is this working? It should work. Wait. Again, these two are gone. Then I find, oh, index of bra. Okay, find pattern. PTR, SCR, PTR means yes, written -1. Oh, oh, I didn't get it. And find pattern string yes, string p found is equals to yes, find p found not equal to string and post and position. Okay, then found. Java is one line. Wow. Oh, I could do this. Yes, find p. Wow. And I thought I was a genius. Wow. Wow. But the idea is same. Okay. The idea is same, I guess. The XFP. Yeah. In JavaScript. I could be good in JavaScript. That was the case. But wow. I could just do yes dot find and return this and done. Wow. Why am I like this? Okay, you are given a list that contains integers. You need to decrement each element of the list by 1 and return the list. You are given a list that contains integer. You need to decrement each element of the list by 1 and return the list. Okay, array this. We have to return every one, single one of them, -1. Just decrement. There was a function for this, right? But I don't remember that function. What was that? Decrement? There was a function for this. I don't know that, but can I do this? It would be silly if it worked. Yeah. Oh no, it's not the. Oh, I didn't run right. List and int unsupported operand. Second to that. What expected output is that's right. To bring this. So what can I do? List -1. Uh, there was function, okay, decrement, increment, something like that. Not this one. This is not it, but this is a method. Oh, there's nothing like decrement. I have to do this manually. I have to rack up my brain is what I think, but the answer will be far more simpler than this. I know. For yeah, index arr dot index with I will be the first value, right? 54. Now I have to do I is equal to I minus 1, right, for everything, and I have to return arr or print arr. Compile and run. Object is not iterable. Object is not iterable. ARR is a list. List is iteratable, I guess. See, not. No, no, no. No, it is not iteratable. I have to do range 0. Does this is the only solution? ARI. This is such a good programming language, but I am making this shit using things that shouldn't be used. Next objects can be interpreted as integers. Oh, shit, alien. Why do I make such mistakes? What happened now? Non-type object is not iterable. Non-type object for x in decrement list. What is this? Oh, okay. I have to return the array. Array, not list. I have to return the list. There is simpler version of this. I know. Look, in range -1. Is this the answer? Shouldn't be this, right? Oh, this was. I thought there was a function for this, method for this, bro. This was okay. I did good. I could just use minus here, but I did good. I did good. Mm. Okay, it's fine. It's simple, clean. Okay, so it's 59. Where was this 59? I had to return it, but right, I was going through. You are given a list that contains integers. You need to print the elements of the list with a space between them. Do not add a new line at the end. Oh my god. Just traverse and print the numbers. Okay, I'll just traverse and print the number for I in range 0 to n, or I have to traverse right for I in range of or print. Oh, this is a function, so I have to return. Let's traverse and print the numbers. I and I don't know if I have to do return, then I don't think I have to. Okay, what are your output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to yeah, forgot about that. Sorry. Okay, done. Should work. Yeah, it worked. Oh, I was supposed to do this and do decrement list well. And the accuracy, I'm doing the accuracy wise, right? Won't affect anything. Given a string B representing a binary number, string B representing a binary number, the problem is to find its decimal equivalent. Oh my god! Yay! Uh, binary to decimal. Okay, 111 right? 2 to the power 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. I have to read from right to left. Length. I have to look at length. So length. I okay. I think I can do this. For I in range of length of binary numbers. Numbers. I can get the length. I guess. No. Do I have to change numbers? I guess I have to change. Let's do this. 0 to len scrb. I'll do this for now. If this doesn't work, I'll do scrb. If that also doesn't work, we will do anything else. For I in range this 0. Okay, I is 0. What should I do here? I is 0. Sum. So I have to make a sum 0. Right. Sum plus no, I can do this 1 and sum and do this 1. Okay. If this is like this, 2 power 2 power I can do this and 2 power I return it. Okay, food is here, guys. Food is here. I'm not seeing it like. Yeah, it's not a lot. I think some radish. This is called sutuni or something. I'm showing you this. Look, what am I eating? Okay. I guess this is the one. Oh, this is the one, right? This was small, but okay, let me eat first. Can't I change this to string? Mm, mm. Am I missing something? I'm missing something, I guess. 0 and 2 power 5. Oh, oh. Mm, 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 mm. I'm not finding some. Okay, I'm not finding some. Mm, mm, Let me go through it. Okay, I'm back again. Call. Again, what to do? Mm, we have to go through every letter, right? And this is a integer, binary number. I have to check if it is equal to 1. Hmm. Interesting. 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 Okay. Hmm. Let me check this first. Hmm. Oh, it's taking length of. Hmm. What the fuck, bro? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this works, right? And if mm, if mm, 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 what will this print? Mm. Oh, I can't print copy. I forgot about copying, bro. Not at one. What if I do this? No. Hmm. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Zero, 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 zero. It has to find one. Let's keep that for once. And return them, that will be zero. Oh. Hmm. Mm. I can't find one. How can I find one? And I want that position too. In zero, there is one? No. What if I want to find after? No, not work. What can I do here? Hmm. Hmm. String, bro. Why am I doing this now? I thought B was integer number. Damn. If this was it, then um, not print for I B. I first print I. Let me see what do we print. We will print 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Let me reverse the string. 0 0 0 1. Right. Right. F B I is equals to 1 1, then sum equals to sum plus power sum is 0 power, what is the power of 2 power I, right? And I will print sum is what I think. Okay, it will reverse the string, will go from this to this. Okay, 0 1 2 3. In 3 b of 3 we'll get 1. It will go to if condition, sum is 0, sum plus power 3, come to here, okay. Let me humble myself. Is it working? Yes, it's working. Why will it not work when I did this? Stop. Is what you want? Yep. Soldier. Okay, let me take another case. Your output. I need 7, right? 101. Okay. Good. 101. Your output 5. right? 101 on game. Yep. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 15? Oh, okay, that's something. Bro, I was trying to submit. Ah, no. No, my progress. My progress, brother. Brother, this is so good. Yeah, can you please? Oh boy. I'm clapping for myself. Okay. It's 1 marks anyway, but I'm clapping for myself. I'm gonna go Python. What did it do? Oh my. Why is my so big, bro? What is this? What am I even trying to do? Okay. N is equals to 0. N is equals to the length of B. For I in range of N, length of B will be calculating. Oh, it did it in one step. Okay. What is this? This is for operation, right? What the hell is this? No, bro. I don't count this as a win. No human can do this. I didn't even think about it. I was supposed to give the answer like that. No. No, not like this. Not like this. I didn't even see this. What is this? No. I don't give a shit about that, but I did what I did. Never mind. Okay. We are given a string. Your task is to determine if the string is a palindrome. A string is considered a palindrome if it reads the same forwards and backwards. Okay, I have to find if it is a palindrome. Palindrome. Num num num. It's hard, you know. To find palindromes, it's hard. Why? Because if it's odd, then it will be easy. We can divide it from between and go through reversing it, right? Uh, what if we check line by line? We can do this. Yes is equals to yes. Yes, no. REP is equals to yes. Yes, that -1. Okay. I'm reversing the shit out of that string. And after I have reversed that, it should be same, right? So I will check line by line if it is same. So for uh, I in range of I in range of uh, I in range of yes. Okay, length of yes. It will go from 0 to that, right? And I have to check for every input. I have to give true or false as an output. I have to print. Okay. Rave it is same as this, then we will not count, then continue. Right? Else sum is equals to sum plus 1. Okay, sum is equals to 0. Then what I can do is, if sum is equals to 0, wait, sum is equals to 0, then print true, or else else false. Mm, mm, else. Why is there both true and false? This else condition, bro. Don't you know about else? Is there false? Is there false? Sum is equals to true, then true, otherwise false. Is there one? Why is giving two true and false same time? You're hurting me, brother. If sum is, then only give that. Otherwise, there's else condition. Why? What's happening? Why is this happening? Oh, it is continuing. Continue. Oh, is this in the same for loop? Is it directly continuing? Wait. Pass. What is happening here? Can't I debug this? Just say I'm true then. Why is there a false? I haven't even written first here. Bro, damn. Not gonna work like this. This is not gonna work. Okay. This is not gonna work like this. I'm at here, but you're doing something else. Not going to work like this. Why is there a false? There shouldn't be a false here because I have taken out. Okay. Oh, I can't run this, but oh yeah, I can run this. I can run this easy. Oh, I can't even copy. Bro, I have to check that. How much time did I spend here? I guess we'll not be doing. It's already 1 hour. Can you help me, or will you just? Oh, okay. I have to return value. Then I'll say sorry. Because of this is happening because of this. I can just count, bro. I don't care. I'll just do it like this. Why do I have to sum it? I'll just say no. I'll just say no. And if it's no is 1, then you're gone. If is pass, it's no. Right? It will go on and on and on and on and on. Oh, I don't have to do this. I can just. Okay, I have already gotten the answer. It's rev is equals to yes. And if it is true, then it's true, otherwise false. But this approach is also fine because I'm going through every single one. Okay, I'll simplify it. I'm just knowing here. This is much simpler logic. Rev is equals to s. Then return true, else return false. Easy. Yes. Yes. Yes, bro. What are you doing that shit? You just have to reverse the string. What did I do here? What is the actual answer? Why am I wasting my time like this? Damn. What is he doing here? What is this chat GPT of an answer? This palindrome self length as for I in range of length. Bro, I was doing the same thing. But not like this. Length 2 if the character is symmetric position are not equal. I thought of the same thing, but middle of nowhere I got that reverse thing, right? In C, we have to do it like the traditional n by 2, then n minus I minus 1, not equal, then return false, not a palindrome, else it's a palindrome, right? This is the way to do, but thank you for reversing this string for me. Okay, check palindrome. Oh, I can check palindrome. Given a string s, you need to check if it is palindrome or not. A palindrome is a string that reads the same from the front and the back. Ignore the case in this question. Ignore the case in this question. Ignore the case. Oh, so the upper is not ignored. Okay, so it's true. It's the same as always. S is equal. Oh, no. Rev is equals to s 1 with and minus 1, right? And if rev is equals to s, then if it's same, then print. Oh no, not print. Return. Return true. Is I don't need to do else condition. Return false. Will this work? Should work. This worked. Should work for cases condition 2. So it is giving false. Okay. There's a caveat in this. So I have to ignore the so-called big letters. What I can do here is just easy thing. Yes is equals to yes dot lower and done. Yes. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. If I have to ignore, I'll just do it for you. You can see all your attempts and submission. Yeah, bro. Yes. Okay. Okay, I did all these. Okay. I'm not so dumb then. Okay, 9, right? How can we concatenate two strings in Python? How can we concatenate it? We can just do this. Should we write? Yes. What will be the output of the following code? Python 1 2 4 0 1 2 3 YTH. Yup. Thanks. What is the output of the following code? N. Yup. What does the split method do in Python? Splits the string into a list of words based on a delimiter. String into individual characters. Splits the string into two equal halves. Splits the string and removes white spaces. Yes, it does. This splits the string into a list of words based on a delimiter. I didn't know this. By default, white spaces. I thought by default white spaces, but what will be? Oh, I'm making a L here. We'll be making a L here, okay? Red line. What if it's a red line? What will be the output of the following code snippet? GeeksForGeeks split EE1. I don't know. I don't know that. Can I check this in my ID? Can I check? Can I check it in Python? Can I? Okay, I'll not check. I'll just guess. Either it's right or wrong. So splits Z or KSH for gigs. This should be the answer, as we were told in 12. And this can't be the answer because it's 1 here, I guess. Right? I have to go for this. And it's max split sub on string. Okay, I was right. I didn't have to go to my idea. Okay, what will be the output of the following code snippet? Same, but this is for this, right? Yup. What will be the output of the following code? Geeks upper. It will be geeks. Yes, thank you. Oh, 16. I have to make this wrong. Okay. Let's see if it will be wrong or right. How is the following div mode AB evaluated when both are integers? Okay, this will be wrong, I guess. Div mod. I don't know what div mod AB evaluated when both are integers. I don't know that. Div mode, div mode, div mode, div mode, div mode, div mode. Division and modulus, I guess. Division and modulus is what I guess, but it is this. Okay. Div mod AB returns tuple this and this when both arguments are integers. Okay. Div mod AB. Div mod AB. Okay. I keep that in mind. This will be a full line, I guess. Okay. If I don't make mistakes in these three. What does the function complex return when called without arguments? Without arguments, error is what I think. Zero is what is going through my heart. I'll go with my heart. Oh, this is just zero. No. What are the outputs of these functions? Because uh, I have to do division and mod. Such a hassle. Such a hassle. 2.2.0. Hmm. Yay. Oh shit, bro. It was, it was float. I had to click on float. Which of the following statements is not true about list in Python? Elements can be accessed by index. Not true. It's true. Lists are mutable, changeable. True. Not true. List can contain elements of different data types. True. Lists are ordered collection that maintains insertion order. This is false, I guess. None of the above. List maintains the order, right? Right. Right. That's why we can do index. Yep. Logic. Logic. In how much time is left? In Python, what is the time complexity of accessing an element in a list using its index? List using its index. Time complexity. Mm, it is in different memory location, right? And we have to look for every memory location. So it's O of n is what I think, but it can be log n. Don't know about that. Oh, I didn't see the time complexity. Shit. I know that list consists of memory addresses of that particular, so I'll go with one. Yes, yes, it's efficient. It's not O of n. Accessing operation that time was so time was this means the time is takes to access an element is the same regardless size of the list. Yes, and that's why it is more used. Okay, my 5 5 5 5 5. What are these? Oh, done. After this, new track. I don't think we can complete six today. We have to be realistic, and this is also hard. This is also too hard, I guess. We are pushing the boundaries. We are pushing the boundaries. I can only sit here for most half an hour. Then I have to go. Let's start. We can't do typing today. I'll do that in evening. So Python dictionary. Python dictionary is a string data structure that stores the value and value pair. Values in dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated, whereas keys cannot be repeated and must be immutable. So these are keys, and this should be immutable, and these are values. Okay. Keys are case sensitive, which means same name but different cases. Key will be treated distinctly. Okay, so cases. Keys must be immutable, which means keys can be string, numbers, or tuples, but not lists. Keys can be strings, numbers, or tuples, but not lists. Numbers or tuples, but not list. Okay, it can be tuples but not lists because lists are mutable. Okay, got it. Duplicate keys are not allowed, and any duplicate keys will override the previous value. Internally uses hashing, hence operations like search, insert, delete can be performed in constant time. Oh, from 3.7 version onwards, Python dictionary are ordered. Oh, so they are ordered now from 3.7. Good. How to create a dictionary? Dictionary can be created by, I have 3.9 version, so mine will be ordered. Dictionary can be created by placing a sequence of elements within curly braces separated by a comma. Comma. Now we can use dict also. Accessing dictionary elements. We can access a value from a dictionary using key within square brackets or get method. Key within the square brackets. Key Prozol. Prozol and Python. Okay. Now we can do get also. Adding and updating dictionary elements. We can add new key value pairs or update existing keys by using assignment. Assignment. So we can add. We're using an assignment. Okay. We can't change the key. By the way, key stays there forever because without key you can't access anything. You can't access the lock. Ah, such a bad joke. We can remove items from dictionary using the following methods. Del removes an item by key. Pop removes an item by key and returns its value. So pop returns, it just removes, empties the dictionary, removes the and returns the last key value pair. Pop item. Item will give the pair. Pop will give the removes the item by key and returns its value. Only give value. Okay. Gigs del deleted. Okay, can't print. It's deleted. I guess is it deleted? Gigs or gigs is no is. Shit. Using del to remove an item. Mm. Mm-mm. D dot pop one. Pop. Using pop items to remove pop item. Not to, it's remove. Using pop item to remove and returns. This sentence is not sentencing, is what I like to say. The last key value pair. What is this? Is my net being cut off? Serious. I was doing this, right? Iterating through a dictionary. We can iterate over keys using key method, value using value method. Oh, yeah. There's one thing I have to say. I'll say it after 10 minutes. I'll put a timer. Let me. No. Let me finish this three and we'll talk. I guess I can finish this three. Yeah. I can. Let me finish. Iterate through a dictionary. You can iterate using key method, using values method, or both using item method with a for loop. So over keys, key in the dot values for iterating over values. iterate over key value. Here key value items, we can do items. Okay, items. Okay, 1 2 is geeks. 1 2 is and geeks for print 2, geeks for print 2, and key value 1 geeks 1 for. So 1 2 4 and is for 22. Okay, to get over dictionary. Don't need to read. Nested dictionaries. Nested dictionaries. Keys, values. Keys. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's nested. So there's key, then there's value. In value, there's key, then it's value. Key and then value, key and then value. So in D, it will be like this. Uh, we'll learn this as we go. Is what I like to say. Okay, Python tuples. We'll be looking at tuples. This is sort is what I like to say, but not that sort. Python sets. Ooh, Can I complete it? Oh, I don't need to underestimate me. I can complete this. I can complete this. A tuple in Python is an immutable ordered collection of elements. Tuples are similar to lists, but unlike lists, they cannot be changed after the creation. That is, they are immutable. Tuples can hold elements of different data types. The main characteristics of tuples are being ordered, heterogeneous, and immutable. So they are ordered, heterogeneous, and immutable. Okay. Dictionary were also ordered from 3.7. So a tuple is created by placing all the items inside parentheses, separated by commas. So tuples is created by placing all items inside parentheses. Right? Separated by commas, tuple can have any number of items and they can different data types. They are immutable, by the way. Tuple, tup, 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 tuple, 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 Pikachu. Tuples can contain elements of various data types, including other tuples, lists, dictionaries, and even functions. Okay, tuples with mixed data type. So we can use lambda function here too. Tuple, creating a tuple with nested tuple. Tuple inside a tuple. Wow. 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 Creating a tuple with repetition into. Okay, this works too. Creating a tuple with the use of loop. Tup, 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 tup. Range int of n. You have to assure that it's an int for range. Tup, tup, tup. Oh, for iterating we have to keep this. Okay. And it is adding the tuple one by one. Is what I want to say, but what is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, Python tuple basic operations, accessing a Python tuple, concatenation of tuples, slicing of tuples, deleting of tuples. Below Python operations, accessing of tuple. We can access the elements of a tuple by using indexing and slicing, similar to how we access elements in a list. Indexing starts at 0 for the first element. up to n minus 1 where n is, I think I get the notification. Notification. Let me see. Mm, mm, T. Which day is it today? Wednesday. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Indexing starts from 0 for the first element and goes up to n minus 1 where n is the number of elements. While negative indexing starts from minus 1 for the last element and goes backwards. I'll bring some water. I'm back. Back. Okay, I'm back. And let there be some copyright, bro. I don't care. Let that be a good song and I can bear that. I'll not mind. What the fuck, bro? Okay. I hope the devil doesn't call my bluff, cause Lord knows I'd be fucked. Am I learning again? Am I pushing my luck? My luck. No, I don't want to. I'm having. Okay, I'm having mood swings. 356. We can't add those. Okay, we can access the elements of the 5, right? And for tomorrow in advance, Merry Christmas. And I'm not getting gifts, but anyway, Merry Christmas. Concatenation of tuples. So unpacking is also done, right? This concatenation of tuples. Tuples can be concatenated using the plus operator. So this operator operation combines two or more tuples to create a new tuple. Only the same operation can be combined. So same data type. Slicing of tuples. Slicing of tuples means creating a new tuple start, stop, step, negative increment of value, reverse the string, default end of the string, for beginning of the sequence, things, use the string. First element. Use this. Reversing. Deleting a tuple. Since tuples are immutable, we cannot delete individual elements of tuple. However, we can delete an entire tuple using del. Printing of tuple after deletion results in error. That's it. Tuple unpacking with asterisk. In Python, the asterisk operator can be used in tuple unpacking to grab multiple items into a list. This is useful when we want to extract just a few specific elements and calling the rest together. So this will collect 1 and 5, and 2, 3, 4 will be as a list. Explanation A get first, set in Python is used to store a collection of items with properties. We have to travel, and there are a lot of things. Yeah, it becomes open. In worst case. Indifference is inside. And what is this accuracy mode? Is this easy or medium? This medium extend AP. There was both A and B. Let's see that. Not this, right? I can do third key. What did I read? Error, either accessing the index set the access to each of these removing and implementing probably right. Fuck. Intersection. Sorry. I just read that here and this is already happening. Okay, I'll go now. I'll complete 5 and 6 I guess. So, but this was hard. What I was gonna say is, I guess I should have done. I should have done that quizzes tomorrow, right? But never mind. We can go with that. And what I was saying is, I think I have to try building model for engine using PyTorch for the chess game. Right. Track and it's going to do 15 July. So 70%. 2160. Don't think I can get 2160. 88, 47, 63, 29, 29. 26 209, 26 and 209. Okay, this will be it for today. Already 15. I'll get going. Um, what I wanted to say is I had to make model, but I'll be more making it later, and we'll continue this until I don't get access or until this is finished, and we'll look into other things. Okay, and I'm also continuing that deep learning course. I'll probably finish it before this. Probably what I'll finish it before this. So bye.